Unlock the power of direct audience interaction and transform passive viewers into active participants with YouTube's built-in poll feature. First, let's head over to YouTube Studio. You'll want to click on the Create button, typically located in the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Poll. Now, you're in the poll creation zone. The first crucial step is to formulate your question. Think about what you want to learn from your audience. What are their preferences, opinions, or predictions related to your content? For example, let's ask, what type of video should I make next? Next, it's time to add your multiple-choice answers. Aim for clear, concise options that directly relate to your question. You can add up to 4 options. Let's enter gaming, tutorial, tech review, and vlog. If you need more options, simply click the Add Choice button. Once your poll is ready, you have 2 main ways to share it: directly within your video as an end screen element, or as a standalone post on your YouTube community tab to reach a wider audience. Before you publish, take a moment to preview your poll. Ensure your question is clear and your choices are easy to understand. This is your chance to gather valuable feedback, gauge interest in future content, and foster a stronger connection with your viewers. By regularly using polls, you're not just asking questions. You're actively engaging your audience, making them feel heard, and building a more interactive community around your channel. Start polling today and see your engagement soar.